Embrace your high-maintenance side, you're worth it. In a world that often celebrates minimalism and low-maintenance lifestyles, your preferences, standards, and desire for comfort are not flaws, they're signs of self-respect. 1. High maintenance isn't a bad thing. Being high maintenance doesn't mean you're demanding for the sake of it. It means you know your worth. You won't settle for less than you deserve. Whether it's taking care of your appearance, insisting on quality, or expecting respect in relationships, these are all ways of honoring yourself. Society sometimes labels people who care deeply about themselves as high maintenance. 1. Self-care is a superpower. High maintenance habits often include routines, skincare, fitness, creating a cozy, inspiring environment. These are not vain indulgences, they're investments in your well-being. 1. Quality over quantity. Valuing quality means refusing mediocrity. In relationships, in work, in your time, it's about being intentional and selective. 1. Confidence attracts the right energy. When you embrace your high-maintenance side, you radiate confidence. People who respect your standards will be drawn to you. Those who drain energy will drift away. 1. Boundaries are beautiful. You're clear about what you need, and you communicate it without apology. Boundaries aren't rigid. They're a loving form of self-respect. 1. You're worth every bit. You're allowed to want the finer things, to demand respect, and to prioritize yourself. You are worthy of time, love, and care without compromise. Being high maintenance is not a flaw, it's a celebration of your value. So go ahead, pamper yourself, set your standards high, and remember, you're worth every bit of effort. Embrace it, own it, celebrate it. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.